Do you think Tesla stock will perform well in the final quarter of 2022, given that we are almost at the end of the year? Although the stock is still trading below 200, experts think there is not much reason for concern as it will eventually rise. Some even think that Q4 is looking good for Tesla, so you probably wouldn't want to miss this information. It's important to note that we anticipate selling every car we've produced. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated on the company's Q3 earnings call that the factories are operating at full capacity and that each car we produce would earn an additional $10 in cash. Open an account and deposit any amount to Moomoo. This is a time-limited offer in honor of Moomoo's 10th anniversary. Click the link below to take advantage of it. Moomoo is an excellent stock trading platform with a variety of innovative, user-friendly capabilities. I believe many of you will find it really beneficial, particularly if you wish to be more actively involved in your investments. For instance, learn when it is appropriate to purchase and sell stocks. RL in the following description. And Tesla plans to increase the production of its electric vehicles, the Model Y and Model 3, significantly in Q4 2022 and further into 2023. In addition, Tesla was looking to double vehicle sales in Germany, a significant market for the American electric vehicle manufacturer. If the production ramp-up goes as planned, the global autos market projected growth will jump by a factor of 10 in 2023, considering a 50% production increase for the entire year as our factories ramp. We're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4, so really, knock on wood, it looks like we'll have an epic end of year, so Q4 is looking extremely good, says Musk. Previous reports on leaked emails from the company revealed the need for higher production numbers, which were partially fulfilled in China, where the company delivered a record number of vehicles. In September, Musk clarified that Giga Berlin reached a new milestone in its production ramp, producing 2,000 high-quality cars in a week at a quick rate of ramping up. In addition, Tesla's output of 4,680 cells tripled in Q3 over the previous quarter. We are finally seeing a lot of traction with the 4,680 cells, and their output is increasing quickly. We anticipate that in the upcoming months, Giga Texas will reach this milestone very soon, and that they will account for a sizable portion of our production here in Texas. Musk added that in addition to the original pilot line in Fremont, which achieved record production in Q3, Tesla has the second generation of manufacturing equipment for 4,680 cells in Texas, which is still progressing very well. Musk also stated that the company plans to continue increasing production in Fremont shares in early October. In an article titled "Looking Ahead to Q4, Tesla is Likely to Produce Positive Outcomes." Technica, a US-based website devoted to gathering news about clean technology, renewable energy, and electric vehicles with an emphasis on Tesla, published with newer factories in Austin and Berlin ramping up production, experts are starting to put their doubts about Tesla to rest. The article lists several encouraging signs that Tesla will continue to grow through 2023. One such indication is a circulating report that Tesla plans to push global production of its best-selling Model Y and Model 3 vehicles sharply higher in the fourth quarter. The company's output forecast indicates an upward trajectory, meaning that if the company's goals are met, as most executives anticipate, Tesla's Q4 2022 production would put the electric vehicle manufacturer on track to meet CEO Elon Musk's targets of 1.5 million units by the end of 2022. According to Reuters sources, Tesla's plan was to run production at 20,500 vehicles per week for the remainder of the year, which was in early October. If the company has successfully done so since then, it only bodes well for Tesla. Internal plans reviewed by Reuters indicate that the production plans would see Tesla blow past projected growth in the global market for autos by close to a factor of 10 in 2023, with a production increase of over 50% for the year. According to Reuters, the Q4 Tesla prediction begins with an ambitious target of producing almost 495,000 Model Y and Model 3 units, which together account for approximately 95% of Tesla's output. Notwithstanding persistent supply chain challenges and a faltering economy, the confident prognosis regarding Q4 Tesla and beyond came to pass. On the other side, failing Tesla order backlogs and growing competition are signs that the company will continue to grow beyond 2023. For Q4 Tesla, it's all about Berlin and Austin. This is accurate because Tesla opened new factories in Berlin and Austin, where production was greatly increased. However, the forward-looking prediction quickly depends on a significant increase in output at Tesla's more recent, expensive, and expansive factories in Germany and Texas. Elon Musk made this comment regarding Tesla's new plants. The EV business announced earlier this year that it concentrated heavily on investments in its gigafactories during the second quarter of 2022. Both the Austin and Berlin facilities are currently enormous money furnaces. It is no secret that Elon Musk wants to see more gigafactories built for Tesla. In fact, at the company's annual stockholder meeting, Musk expressed his opinion that the automaker could eventually construct as many as 10 to 12 gigafactories worldwide. The production facilities in Berlin and Austin will optimize the company's innovation, safety record, and performance, and they may also give it an advantage over manufacturers of combustion engine vehicles. These developments are the basis for arguments supporting the Q4 Tesla growth forecast. Carl Spar stated in a late August tweet that by Christmas, Tesla's factories in Berlin and Texas will be building EVs for less money than it would take to make a comparable-sized old-world Toyota Corolla. Point passed in 2022 due to concerns about having little residual value. New ICE sales will probably decline more quickly than EV manufacturing grows. Good news, Spar seems to be a big supporter of Tesla, if his Twitter account is any guide. Large increases in Tesla production from its Austin and Berlin plants would not be surprising, according to Sam Fiorani, Vice President of Global Forecasting at Auto Forecast Solutions, as those facilities have been operating below capacity. A large portion of this volume is coming from Berlin and Austin, which are poised to blossom next year, the speaker stated. George Steinbach, the regional economy minister of Brandenburg, where Tesla has its factory near Berlin, has said Tesla would be moving to 3 shifts at the plant. By the end of the year, the expected gain would be from 51,000 vehicles produced next quarter to almost 90,000 produced in the quarter ending September 2023. Well, those are pretty good prospects for Tesla for the last quarter of 2024. Tesla enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to in the coming months. If things will go smoothly at Tesla from here on, it may just be possible that it will be a huge Q4 for Tesla stock. Of course, there are certain risks for Tesla stock. Part of the reason Tesla stock can be volatile is that it has inherent risks. At the top of the list is Musk's recent takeover of Twitter. Some analysts fear that between that and SpaceX, Musk might have his hands full instead of simply focusing on Tesla. Also, a recession may be right around the corner. This risk isn't Tesla specific, but could greatly damage the buying power of consumers for the company's higher priced vehicles. And while Tesla continues to hold the lead position in the EV industry, competition in the electric vehicle space will only grow with new mandates for internal combustion engines to be phased out of existence. Every car maker is now incentivized to produce e-vehicles. In the near term, Tesla stock may fall victim to year-end tax loss selling. On a better note, There are also several catalysts for Tesla. For one, the company will soon be selling a competitively priced vehicle, which will broaden its appeal to the masses. In addition to that, Tesla continues to dominate the EV market, even in the face of competition. What most people, even some investors, are not aware of is that Tesla actually has 3 segments in addition to its e-vehicle division. The company has an energy generation and storage division and a services and other division, and both are growing rapidly. If any or all of these catalysts work out, the stock should go higher. That explains Tesla bulls' confidence in the firm, despite the many problems that currently encircle the electric vehicle industry. Even while the majority of them do not completely dismiss the dangers associated with Musk's Twitter venture, they think that Tesla will prosper in the upcoming months if everything proceeds according to plan. With so many people eagerly awaiting the release of the Tesla semi-Cybertruck Robo, Taxi FSD battery cells, and humanoid robot, Q4 2022 could end up being a historic quarter for Tesla, especially given the company's extensive customer base. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on major Tesla events.